Let's start video. Mark midline on each side of wax block. Mark lines at 1 mm distance. Draw design of flower pot on paper. Paper size and wax block size should be same. Put this design and draw. Start carving of lower body portion of a flower pot. While carving, remove sharp edges and make it rounded. Now start carving of upper body portion of flower pot. See gross design of flower vase. Draw circle on top. Carve mark area as shown in diagram. Make top portion rounded. Carve whole body portion and make it round in shape. Carve neck of flower pot. Carve a bottom round in shape. See carved flower pot. Draw vertical lines at same distance on bottom. Carve all lines and make bottom floral in design. Now see floral design of bottom. Carved semicircular design on body portion. Carved upper portion of design and make it prominent. Mark two horizontal lines and make it rounded. Draw wave-like line on top of flower pot. Carve and give wave-like appearance to border of flower pot. Carved slopes. Mark point at the center where two midlines meet each other. Carve and make it whole. Expand hole To make opening of a flower pot to receive flowers. To do polishing, rub the cotton against wax. Now see final finished flower pot. Stick incense stick to flower with Fevicol. Thanks for watching this video till here with me. If you really like this video, please subscribe my channel, like and share it.